Hey guys, welcome to Tech 9. This is our sixth video in our channel. Let's get jump into our video. Few weeks ago we have done time passing games, and that the first top-notching game was the Stumble Guys. And today we are going to see Stumble Guys review or gameplay, whatever we can see. And if we see inside the game means, and above that 10th is there, right? If we touch that means only one time we can change the name. If other time we need means we should give diamonds, and we should inside shop we should give our real money and buy the gems and customize many more skins. Many more is given skins of color dress like that many more. And if we color means we can change the skin tones, and emotes many are there. In gameplay we can use that emotes, and in animation many more animations were given. We can use whatever you want. And if we see footsteps means haha, music, skeleton like that many more was given. And if we see Stumble Guys news means many more updates were given inside this. And if we see Stumble Pass means while we are playing level if we go on means they will give skin character like that many more. And if we went into party means we can create party, and we can say code number to other, and they will create room is there, right? Opposite that the joint room is there, the code we should say to other, they should can join. And if we went rank means trophies are given, how other players are played. And if we see into the crown means who played in middle equally, that is the crowns. And if we see global means all over the world who was playing that. If we change into as local means in India who were all playing. And if we see tournaments means they are coming soon, and Discord will make them as a code we can play. And if we see settings means English, we can change the languages, and server and means we can change Asia like that memo. If we enter controls means we can change it wherever we want while gameplay. And that's it in this. We can change like that. And if we see a sound volume we can adjust, and music volume also we can adjust. However we want we can adjust. And resolution means how much you want you can keep that. And next, shadows high, off, low. These three are there. Whatever you want you can. Player names should be turn on or turn off. That's control stick was static and dynamic. Both are two types. Control devices gamepad or touch. And that's it. And that's it, guys. And we can play. I will play and show you now. And many more features are given in this game, and many more places are there like that, icy heights, tile fall, etc. blah 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 blah. Many games were given. Many plays were given. And this is icy heights. First in a room 32 members will be there, and they will be converted into 16 members. They should qualified, and they can be divided into as 16 members. And after that again they will play. In that they will become as 8 members who will qualify that members became as 8. And after that whoever came they will come as after 8 who is winner, first winner, they will give many more like that I told, right? The skin tone, customizing, dress, character, that like that many more were given like that. And another important we can do is in the chat, a nearby 3 dot is there, right, as a message. If we click that means many more is there. And I am qualified in the above that qualified 9/16 like that they were given. Don't think wrong, that is I have put fast forward. So what? And if we can spectate, how means right side will be there. If we click means they can be, and red color members will go down and green color members come up. And we have selected to next round bombardment, next place bombardment. Up they will be given. And we should escape from the cannon. The bomb should not be coming near us. We should run like that and glide. See, the bomb should not be coming. They will come and blast near us, so we should save our life from us. And 3 who were all eliminated, they are being listed, and 5 members have been already eliminated. Yeah, and this is a very important thing is this is an online game. You should turn on your internet only. You should play. And we have selected to next round, that is the space race. I won't select in this because this is the toughest place to me to play. Let's try because try is our life. And I told right, lastly only one member can be qualified. That we are going to play. And in this, if I out means then I will won't get the dress, cosmetics, any other accessories like that. And another member will get that. This is for our time pass, not as a original life. It's a time passing for us. So we are going to play. Don't think wrong. It is I have fast forward the video. So let's jump into the space. Uranus or Neptune this was. Wow. Really, this is a nice game. Already I have told you my heart touching level, and this will really time pass your day or your and it will develop your brain also, because how if you ask means it will give where to grow in this place and how to play like that. Many moves are given and how to take over to up like that. Many are given and who won they will get, and I should go home. That's it. And today I think so the video will release. This game's description link was given below. Check it. And the round over, the criminal has won the end. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Tech9. See you soon in the next big video. Until that, stay tuned. Bye.